Hi y'all, this is Ms.Teeideas again, and today this is my second one. Welcome back. Welcome to my channel. This is gonna be a fast video, but I got something to show you. I think y'all would like to see. Okay, if you're new to my channel, welcome. Glad to have you here. If you've been rocking with me the whole time, y'all already know me. Welcome back. All right, let me move this out the way. I put my other gloves on, y'all. See, I've been having these. So, anyway, I don't know. I have a video. I think I have a short of these spools I've been making for lace. It's supposed to be shaped like a bobbin. It would be shaped like a bobbin, but you know, you wrap your lace around, like in the fabric stores. You wrap your lace around it, and these here, I don't have no kind of machine to cut, so it is what it is. Okay. It might look like a thread. It may look like a thread bobbin. What do you call that? Thread, spool of thread, or it may look like a doggy bone. Whatever, it will do the job to hold your lace, hold your ribbons, hold your shoestrings, hold what you need to hold. All right. Y'all know I'm silly, huh? Okay. But I'm serious. It will hold your stuff. Okay. So that's all we wanted to do. Hold it, do what it's supposed to do, what it needs to do for us. Yeah. This is with my I had found some vintage paper at a garage sale. That's vintage paper. There's some Christmas ones. Some more. I did this, and I made it out of cardboard. See? I just cut it out. One of these days, God gonna bless me with a cutting apparatus. Y'all keep me in prayer. This right here, this is paper. Scrapping paper. This is cloth. This is material. Pieces of material. And this is paper. And this is my vintage paper that I got from the garage sale. I had no idea. This is it too. My brow. I had no idea what I was gonna do with that vintage wrapping paper. There you go. God working mysterious ways, huh? Okay. Here we go. Vintage paper. Material. 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 Hold on, hip is on the way. It's vintage paper. Vintage paper, Mardi Gras. Even got some SpongeBob. It's the paper, y'all, that I found at the garage sale. Fabric, and it is sewed around it too. You know, when I make something, I like to make it sturdy. Fabric. I already had this fabric and stuff. And boxes, cardboard boxes. You get anything in the mail? Cardboard boxes. You save your cardboard boxes. Your cereal boxes. Nothing to make. I already had scraps of material. You know, I play around. I'm trying to quilt something. So I have scraps of material. Okay, this is another. I made several of each kind. Coming to a city near you. I'm going to send some of them out there. Another one. Some fabric. I like that fabric right here. Like I said, I don't have no cutter. I don't have no Cricut. So these here cut like I cut them. I'm an old lady, and I wear glasses. Okay, I gotta see something. So I gotta do the best I can with what I got. There you go. That's the paper. And it is sewed. I glued the paper. You gotta glue. Yeah. You gotta glue the paper. And I just sewed around it, you know, just keep it tight, keep it right. But you don't have to do that. Just glue the paper down. Keep moving. And if you just want the sewing, the stitches for aesthetics, I told you. There you go. There's some stitches, rubber stamps, and if you just want some stitches, you don't have to do it. You're saving your lace and your ribbon. Come on now. Or you take a you want some any design on it, you can X, and it will look like, this is a Sharpie. This is a permanent marker. It'll look like some stitches. It will. Okay, I still got some more, y'all. Look at the teddy bears. Teddy bear, teddy bear, teddy bear. I'm shuffling some cards. You know, some of them, I did the back. No, I didn't do the back on these. I did not do the back. Y'all was squeezing that glue bottle. It was starting to hurt my hands. I had to, hey. Some of them got the back done. Some of them. Step out the back, Jack. Make a few plans, Stan. Don't need to be coy, Roy. Set yourself free. I don't own the rights to this song. And the people that know it, know it. I don't expect no young person to know it. You gotta be of an age to know that. I got a daughter that's 40, 41. She wouldn't know that either. You gotta come a little better than that. The age. The age difference is, in case you didn't hear it, it says step out the back, Jack. Make a few plans, Stan. Don't need to be coy, Roy. Set yourself free. Okay. That's really, I guess, you know, now that I think of it, that might have been a little rap. I don't know. It was a little talk for sure. Okay. Now, I'm fixing to see how many I got. I don't know. I like to keep it in order. Ain't this cute? I wish my camera would come down lower. I was just making these, okay? I was just making these regular sizes here. I was going about my business making these regular sizes. And then I said to myself, now you know you worked in a fabric house. You know you need bigger, longer ones for a lot of ribbon. You know, so myself told me that, and I said, huh. And I answered the call. There you go. There you go. So this is some bigger ones for a lot of lace. And I can't show you with no lace because all of my lace is neatly, y'all saw it on the video, is neatly squared away. Like this. In a container, and I got it like that. Yeah. Mine is already on there. I gotta get myself together first. You know, if the leader ain't right, I can't get nobody else right. Let's see here. But these here are so cute. This is what I do. Again, this will hold lace, ribbon, cord, coil, ties, whatever you want to wrap around it on. String. But I made it for lace for me. Lace and loose ribbons and stuff. Because I had all my stuff piled up in a bag. And you know what? That's crazy. When you gotta dig through every time you want a piece of lace, you gotta dig through a pile of lace to get to the piece of lace that you want. And you know how things work, right? The piece you're looking for, it's gonna be at the very bottom. I'm looking out for y'all. Hey, I'm looking out now. Hey, I'm looking out for my peeps now. Know that. I'm looking at. Hey, I'm looking out for my people. If I have something to save my lace on, I want you to have something to save your lace on too. Yeah. We are helpers to one another. Oh, I'm showing you this. Did I tell you how to make it? Oh, it wasn't a how-to video. Okay. This is some fabric I had. This is some cardboard I had. I cut the cardboard. Wherever you get your cardboard from. I cut the cardboard like I would cut it in the folds first. And this could even make tags. I went to the dollar store. I didn't buy no cardboard. This is cardboard from what I have would come in the mail. And my kids order stuff online. Save me a cardboard. I went to Dollar General. Remember that day I told you I got that sale from Dollar General? I told you about it on a video. How to catch a sale. Dollar General. Anyway, I went there and they had, they always had something in the aisle. They had their tall little metal cart in the aisle. And all of these was in there. They had boxes of them just smashed like, folded like, and put it in there. And I asked them, could I have something? Yeah, we just gonna throw them away. So I took them about 4 or 5. You'd be surprised how many the tags that these things are making. So that's what I used, the cardboard, and I glued the fabric on there, and then because I have one, because I have a sewing machine, I just sewed it around. Because I think it'll keep longer. But if you don't have none, baby, that's all you want something to do is hold it. All right, hold up, wait a minute. Okay. I was counting it. It don't matter. I got a bunch of each. I'm just going to put it if I can get a good thumbnail maybe. For it could be seen. For it could be seen by my 599 subscribers. And the other ones that reach my page and subscribe. Yeah. I think these are so cute, Mardi Gras. And these, all of them. But I like some of them better than I like the other. Let's see. Good thumbnail. And then I'm fixing to get at y'all. Wait, because this is too short of a video for me to be playing. I'm just trying to catch it on. If you're going to catch it, then you need to catch it on. This was a calendar, y'all. You know them old calendars? The big calendars in the store? I cut it. It was a calendar. Our workplace is so small. Our workspace is so small. Okay. Just here. Look like some people work in their work spot really good. I can make the video in the spot. That's it. All right. Ms.Teeideas, please like, subscribe, share my video. Now y'all know this is share ready. This is share worthy. Y'all know that. Look at that. Don't play. This is share ready. It is. But I don't think the spot is doing it justice. You know what I'm saying? That's why I'm fondling with it. Okay, ready or not, get up, done. All right. Okay. All right. Okay. All right. Okay. Let me do this thing. All right. Ms.Teeideas, please like, share, subscribe to my channel. I appreciate it. It's always something I'm up to over here. When you see me, when you don't see me. When you don't see me, I'm doing something to get ready for you to see me. Um, Thank you for watching. Thank you for you always being so kind. Thank you for your comments. I appreciate y'all so much. Ms.Teeideas, y'all have a good night, and I'll see you on the next video. Bye-bye. Now go, y'all, with this mouse. I had to get a mouse pad. I need to stop this playing.